Martinez here, or the Blue Giant, sorry. Today I'm reviewing the regular Rubik's Cube. Well, here we go. This isn't a brand new one, unfortunately, because the brand new one, there's the box right there, it kind of broke on me. So, I use this old one. So, let's kind of tell you the backstory of me getting into Rubik's Cubing while I'm doing this. I kind of got $1 Rubik's Cube one day, and I was like, it's okay. I should try it, see how good it is. So, here's the mechanism right here. It is lubed with this lube. My dad just kind of brought it home to me one day to lube my cube. So, lube my cube with this. So, with that being said, there's the mechanism right there. It's one of the older mechanisms, but it's still okay to use. So I'm not going to show you guys a solve in this video because I'm still working on getting fast as I can. Yeah, right now it's up to 5 minutes. I don't want to see a 5-minute solve. Sorry guys, sometimes it doesn't work. It has to use a lot of force. Switch it around. Sorry guys, I'll be back when I got it. Bye guys. So, there you guys saw the mechanism. So, let's get on to turning. It is lubed, like I said earlier. That lube right there. Okay, so, I'm going to give you guys just a little 3-way turn. So we're going to do a last layer with my 3rd finger. So this lube makes it really good, so it's not the cube turning right now. Okay, now we're going to do finger with this entire hand. Very, very nice cube. Always thought I'd say. So, as you guys can see, I'm going to edge real quick. It has it. Here it is right here. So as you can see, there's a corner. This one's missing actually 2. This one's actually a better cutting. Get all this stuff off right here. Okay, I'm not gonna get this off right now. Sorry for the bandage. That's really bad quality. Now I think about it. Really bad quality actually. So, but it's still recordable with, so I'll get a better camera soon. So what we're gonna do is when I go, I should be able to do this with just an easy flick. And go up, over, down, over. Oh, okay. I don't think we got a pop. I think it kind of flew at us. No pops. Okay. Make sure there's no pops. I don't want it to explode in here, so I got this tape. This is what I do. Okay. So this is how I measure it. If it's bigger than this, it's kind of a bigger-ish cube. That's pretty good. Let's see. I can bandage stuff with this, so just don't worry about this. Yeah, I could resticker this with that, but I'm not going to. It's tape, not stickers. This right here. Let's see how good. There you go. Very reacting stuff is on the pieces. Because you guys haven't noticed, this happens a lot. If you have all that stuff, so it's very well. I don't know if it's the lube or it just cuts it really well. Oh, there we go. Got a lot. Walk up. There you go. Come through. So I say this is a very good thing if you have a lot of stuff in your house that can get stuck in this cube. Now let's get on how hard it is to get a piece out, which is most of the thing. So I was just grabbing a butter knife, turning it 45 degrees, and then push up just a little bit. And there you go. Easiest way to pop it back in. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. This is the Blue Giant. Rate, comment, subscribe. There'll be a new video up every Saturday, or every day. I have pretty much time to record. Just don't expect a regular schedule. It's fine to wait. So So I'm gonna show you guys something. Watch this. We're gonna go this way. I'm gonna try to turn. Let's see how good it is for one. It's all sprung. Very easy. Very easy. I'm not a one-handed solver, but if I was, this would be a cube I would want to use. If you guys want to buy this cube, just probably message me. I doubt anyone's gonna want to buy it though, so don't worry about it. Bye.